In this video, I'd like to talk about an option that we have when we are attempting to solve problems, long durations, or an activity that's a part of our path of critical flow that's giving us a hard time. And I want to center this around the best of what we can learn from advanced work packaging. So let me go ahead and talk about what we would normally do if we have a difficulty with our overall duration or our path of critical flow. So you can see the path of critical flow here on the project. Normally, our first option would be to go ahead and zone this differently. So I always use the example, especially on floor 2 here. If you go from 5 zones to 11, you can save upwards of 20 days. And in the overall phase, you can really do a solid job of picking up time. So let me go ahead and sketch that. If that's what we were going to do, the phase would actually look like this. It would be longer, but it would be more narrow and you would gain time. Let's say that hypothetically on your project, you've already zoned everything properly, but you still have an activity or a sequence or something that's giving you a hard time and you need to speed it up. Well, that's when I would highly recommend that we design to the work package. What I mean by that is, and I learned this from Todd Zabel in his book, Built to Fail, if we can't rezone it properly, then can we design it differently, fabricate it differently, deliver it differently, or install it differently so that the activity can narrow without us hurting trade partners? And so what I would say here is that we at LeanBelt have invented a process where our trade partner preparation process will enable us to go ahead and ask these questions. We can get into this in more detail if you ever want, but what we'll do is we'll build our Lego, which means that we'll understand the sequence in here, exactly what the takt time is, the overall duration, the overlap. We'll understand the activity, and then we'll come down here and identify the fastest, the slowest, and the median ranges for our activity specifically. And then what we'll do is we'll ask the contractor, hey, what can we do to design, fabricate, logistically support, or install this differently to make it so that by the time we actually get out to do the work, that the activity is a whole lot shorter and the workers have the materials, tools, documents, and access to the information that they need in order to go get their job done without pushing them or hurting them, right? Have we optimized this activity, and are there clear instructions like we're setting up IKEA furniture? Which would mean that, and this is really a nice example for me, that we have taken care of the 17 key things that are required for making work ready, but we've done it in a visual way, like I said, to where it's like putting together IKEA furniture, but not just visual instructions, it's actually faster because it's optimized. So that's really what we're encouraging here is, number one, if you have a bottleneck, we can focus on work packaging and create an installation work package, making sure that all 17 items are ready, and then it's visual like an IKEA furniture set. Now, some of the ideas that our teams came up with the other day to design, fabricate, deliver, and install it differently are listed here below, right? And I'll just give you a couple, right? First of all, when you're doing this, have an open mind, make the installation as simple as possible, use multiple options for installation or equipment types, take ideas from a previous reference class, design it to be modular or prefabricated, make sure that it is prefabricated with all clashes removed, right? These are just some ideas. When you go to fabrication, you can obviously change the materials. Some different types of install, especially with HVAC equipment, can go faster. Obviously, prefabrication is another option over here. Delivery, obviously deliver it just in time. Deliver by work package, make it clearer for us to inspect the materials. Add a buffer. When you come over here to the install, make sure that you have a pre-con ahead of time, great visual explanations. Package it properly. Make sure that it's pre-tested, clear visual instructions, right? This brainstorm just happened in a couple of minutes. What could you figure out that you could design differently, fabricate differently, deliver differently, or install differently to make the work package go faster without pushing trade partners? So my point is, if you can't rezone it like I was talking about, then at least consider designing the work package differently and designing to it instead of building just what the design had. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.